For the fifth week in a row, a much-needed drought-busting rain will come to the Jersey Shore on Friday and Saturday. Hey everyone, it's meteorologist Joe Martucci here. This is my updated coastal storm timeline. The worst of this storm will be Friday evening into Friday night as we see the heaviest rain until about 3 a.m. or so. And we're talking about our strongest winds that not only will be Friday night, but into the daytime hours on Saturday as well. And we are looking for one round of minor stage coastal flooding from 7 to 11 p.m. on our Saturday. Now, let's take a look at what we have going on with our drought update, because for the first time since early October, we have that white area right in the middle of the state. That means that we are in normal conditions here. And in another bonus, no more of those reds. That extreme drought, that was especially at the South Jersey Shore, and that's the first time since November 5th we have done that. Still, that being said, we have a drought warning in effect by the NJDP, and that means we have voluntary water restrictions. Let's take a look at our comparison on our drought monitor from December 12th at the peak of this until now, and it was much worse in December here, and that was actually our worst looking map since 2002. So we have come a long way for sure. Here's a look at our future cast. We do see areas of rain as we go into the day on Friday, but this should be mainly light. It's not until the evening that you see those darker greens come into the areas here, and that's as a low pressure system, really a coastal storm, moves in from the south. Rain will be heavy until just before dawn on Saturday, and then we come into just some more tapered showers and really just some mist as we go into the day on Saturday. Here's a look at our forecast rainfall totals, generally between 1 to 2 inches, but if you're in Monmouth County, that includes me, we could see up to 3, I do believe. I don't think forecast models are really taking into account how heavy this rain could be on Friday night. And I could see somewhere like Long Branch maybe seeing 2.6 inches as opposed to 1.6. The good news with this, though, is our ground can handle it. Now, if you get woken up on Saturday morning, early Saturday morning, it's going to be from thunderstorms here. There's a 10 to 25% chance of thunderstorms here, so it's not ruled out. In the spirit of the Masters, let's take a look at our golf forecast for Friday. Not looking that great, unfortunately. It's not going to rain all day, but it's definitely going to be misty and gloomy out there and cold. Temperatures about 10 degrees below average for this time of the year, keeping our greens conditions soft. We go into the weekend forecast. Saturday is just a raw, windy, and wet at times day, particularly during the early part of the morning. Temperatures 15 degrees below average on Saturday. We climb closer to average on Sunday, but still on the chilly side with some early mist that eventually gives way to a little bit of sun. Then after that, we still look for a warm-up as we go into Monday and Tuesday here across the area. 60s definitely on the way. Perhaps we touch 70 degrees. Here's a look at our inland 7-day forecast. I think the thing preventing us from widespread 70s Tuesday is that a cold front does look to come through during the morning hours on Tuesday. That's going to bring some rain showers, and then it brings a stiff wind out of the north and west, which will help to keep us cooler here and over at the beach towns. It's pretty much the same story.